Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video, so I'm here to do another one. I've just done my hair. If you've seen me in this shirt before, it's probably because you saw my review of the Giovanni Deeper Moisture Conditioner. I think that's what it's called. If it's not, I'm sorry, but it was Giovanni. So I'll put that review up. I'm just gonna wash my face first because I haven't washed my face today. If you haven't seen my acne videos, I'll put that up in the cards as well. Treatment on. Wait for that to dry because I must have time. Okay, so I had to wait for the treatment to dry as if I had time for that because I'm actually running late. What else is new? So I would say I would put the moisturizer part of the regimen, but I actually ran out of that. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to my handy dandy Clean and Clear dual action moisturizer. I've been using this literally since high school. So I'm just gonna put that on my face. So I guess this is like a routine that I would do, that if I'm running late, this is what I do or something like that. I don't know. Although that's not really very accurate either because I don't think I do that good of a job doing minimal makeup because I do pretty much everything. Like I just rush each step. So that's what I'm going to be doing, rushing each step. And I'm going to be featuring obviously new makeup because it's been months since I did a last makeup routine and I haven't, had a lot of new makeup lately that I have not shown you guys or told you guys about. I've been doing new things as well. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a chestnut, and I'm going to wait, what am I doing? Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Let's start over. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Black Radiance True Complexion Primer, Shine Control Primer. I think that's what it's called. But I've had this for a couple months now, and I must say that I do not see a difference with it at all. I feel like I feel better psychologically than I'm putting a primer on that's not like liquid, because for some reason like I just never felt like liquid primers did anything for me, TBH. This, I feel like in my brain it feels like I'm doing something, but I don't think it really does anything. Next, I'm gonna put the Chestnut LA Pro Concealer on my dark spots and under my eyes, just so I don't have to use that much foundation. And I usually rub it in with my finger because I just do. I don't know why. I think I watched a Jackie and Aina tutorial and she was like, oh, I like to cook up my concealer sometimes with my hands, or maybe it wasn't even her, maybe it was someone else. I have no idea, but I feel like it was her. It was a girl of color. I don't watch that many girl of color beauty vloggers, so I'm not doing a very good job spraying it around, as you can see. And I also learned from Jackie Aina that you should set your base with powder so your foundation doesn't like slide around. So I just use the Maybelline loose powder, not the new one, the old one, and it's in dark or whatever. And I'm just gonna like pack that onto my skin. This is going underneath the foundation. Can you believe I forgot to grab foundation? I would be the one to forget to grab my foundation. Be right back. So I'm back with the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth 360 in Mocha foundation that I used in my first makeup video. I can never find the matte foundation. I'm just passing that along, seeing it all before to that coverage. Plus with the concealer that I put underneath along with the powder, I think my makeup has been lasting a lot longer on my face because I've been doing those things, so that's pretty cool. I'm trying not to like get foundation on my hair because I just washed it and that would be very, very annoying. Okay, so foundation is done. Now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Deep Golden 60 Concealer under my eye, on my chin, and on my forehead. A sweep under my eye, like that, like this, and like that. Very little on my forehead because I'm not that confident that I know what I'm doing on my forehead, so like I don't put that much anymore. I'm currently wetting my sponge, squeezing excess, wiping hand, and now I'm going in. Oh, that's warm. Under my eye. I'm gonna sweep some on my lid. to prime it. You've seen this technique before if you watch my other 2 makeup routine videos. I don't think in terms of technique, nothing much has changed except like the beginning. I have a primer now, and I use concealer before I use foundation, and I put powder on before I put my foundation on. So besides those things, which are new, my technique is pretty much the same. Now what I'm going to do is take my Maybelline loose powder again. I'm going to set my face this brush, or bake my face. I don't really sweep it off though. Take that much, tap some off, and I just put that under my eye. I actually got another powder. It's called Sasha Buttercup. I got it in yellow. I don't know if that's a shade, but like there's a yellow and there's like a light yellow. I got the yellow. That was like $20 plus shipping, $7, like $27. I don't use that much because that's money. This, I don't remember how much this cost. I got this a long time ago and I actually stopped using this because I didn't really think it did anything, but now I love it because I don't think I see much creasing when I use this powder, and it's cheap. I heard the new one is like great though. I haven't been looking for it because I have this, so I'm not that pressed. So I usually just like keep that on because I don't really even brush a lot on to begin with. But I do go in with this Black Radiance pressed powder in Cafe. And I use this fluffy brush. All my brushes are BH Cosmetics. I go in with that, tap a lot off, and then I just go over my whole face with it. I go over my whole face with it because I like this powder. It's very nice. And I feel like going over my whole entire face kind of brings color back, because before it looks kind of like, I don't know, kind of white. I have Black Radiance blush. I just realized I have like 3 Black Radiance products. That's pretty crazy. I'm gonna use this blush brush. I just got into blush like last month and I love this blush. This is a Black Radiance blush in Toasted Almond. Oh my goodness, I'm about to get so many other Black Radiance blushes, and the great thing about this blush is that it is, this brand in particular is like, it's for like people of color. I love that for obvious reasons. Like they have my skin color in mind when they're making these blushes, so it's not like, you know, bright and like crazy on my face. Like I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I hate to be one of those YouTubers, but like I haven't been doing that well in the eyebrow department, so I want to do this on my own. So see you in a bit. I promise you that took like 30 seconds. Like I just shut off the camera. But yeah, I'm very lazy with my eyebrows nowadays. I don't really care. I don't even trace out the concealer or anything. I just like color in the tip and I just call it a day. We're almost done. I'm just gonna go into my Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. I did buy another palette in like 2 single shadows from ColourPop, but this is like my go-to palette, TBH. Like I don't even use my Morphe palette that much anymore. So I'm just gonna do a basic ass look because I'm going to class, like I'm not going anywhere serious. I'm gonna go in with this color first. I think that's Twinkle. I believe that's Twinkle. It could be Twinkle, maybe not, I don't know. Go in with the fluffy brush all over my lid. I kind of think this color was a mistake because it's so light, but fuck it. It's happening. This is me when I do my makeup. I'm like, fuck it, it's happening. Maybe I'll go in a little bit with Elfish just to like darken it up because I think that was a little bit too light. The same brush too. I'm not pressed to try another brush right now. This used to be the brush that I used to highlight, but after I washed it, I was like, let me try it for like actually like using it the way it's supposed to be used. And so that's what I've been using. I've been using this for like eyeshadow and I'm enjoying it. I feel like I'm not really going into this Elfish color. It's not darkening up anything. Oh, there it is. I'm not gonna go into a shimmer. I think I'm just gonna like wear this and call it a day. Is that too much? Is that too little? I don't know. I just literally mixed those 2 colors. Like I mixed Twinkle and Elfish together, and I feel like I'm just gonna like wear this, and that's it. Like I'm not pressed. Like I don't want to use shimmer, any of these shimmers really. Like, if I had the Morphe palette up here, I'd probably like delve into that, but I don't, so I'm not pressed. Now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. I love this mascara. Sorry it's dirty. I got this because I watched a Jordan Byers video and she suggested this. She highly suggested it. She was like, oh, if you don't want to spend that much money on a high-end mascara, a really good one is this Maybelline one. Again, her name is Jordan Byers. It makes my eyelashes so like long. You can see that for yourself. I think I'm done. The only thing I'm gonna do now, well, you know, I use Vaseline on my lips and I still haven't really used any other color besides clear. Last thing I'm gonna do is use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I got this last month. I really, really like it. You saw the difference that it just made, right? My face is glistening. This shit is amazing. But yeah, I think that's my face. I don't highlight my grid glass because that's like too much, and I don't even have a highlight brush anymore. Do you guys think I should keep the scarf on or off? I kind of feel like I should take it off, but I kind of feel like I should keep it on. I'm gonna keep it on. Why not? Yeah guys, that was me doing my face. A very quick 10, I think it took like 10 minutes to do that whole thing. This is what I do in a rush. I do everything but fast. Like, I don't take my time. Very, very simple makeup look. My hair looks crazy. Oh my god. Yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Watch my other videos that I put up in the cards. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put a lot of those things, old videos up in the cards. My hair looks nuts. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.